tanan, ako si Iya. Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Kumusta mong tanan? Ako si Mitch, taga Cebu. Nagpuyong pud ko sa Talisay City. Nagkatrabaho sa Pagila Studios, isip sa ka-host. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, ganahan ko magsuroy-suroy kuyog akong mga barkada. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Volume 1, Episode 12, Ganahan ko nimo. This means, I like you.
Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine.
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 Ganahan ko. That's right. And I know you guys have been waiting for this episode. Ganahan ko. It means I like. Now, you're right. Yes, you're right. We can use this to say I like you to someone. But in the examples, in the repetition, we hear Kier and Mitch saying ganahan pud ko, which means I also like. But it's okay.
Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine.
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 Ganahan pud ko, as they say, right? So ganahan ko nimo.
Ganahan ko nimo.
Ganahan ko nimo means I like you. Say it again, Iya, please.
Ganahan ko nimo.
That's right. Ganahan ko nimo means I like you.
Ganahan ko nimo.
Ganahan ko nimo. Ganahan is like, ko is I, nimo is you. So ganahan ko nimo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pud.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Okay, so it's your turn. Say it. Ganahan ko nimo. I know you want to tell this to someone that you like. Go on, say it. Ganahan ko nimo. Ganahan ko nimo. See, it's easy, right? Now, we hear Kier and Mitch saying ganahan pud ko. Then you can use that ganahan pud ko nimo if you want to say I like you too. Right, Kier, Mitch? Okay, so what's next? Here we go.
Ganahan ko nimo. Ganahan ko ninyo.
Ganahan ko ninyo means I like you guys or all of you. Niño is a plural form of you.
Ganahan ko ninyo.
Ganahan ko ninyo.
Ganahan ko ninyo.
So if you want to tell some people, ganahan ko ninyo, that you like them, to them directly, then you say, ganahan ko ninyo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pud.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Come on, try it. You can do it. Okay, so in the examples from Kier and Mitch, if you just put pud after ganahan, then you have I also like you.
Ganahan ko nila. Ganahan ko nila. Ganahan ko nila.
Remember, nila means them. Therefore, ganahan ko nila. Ganahan ko nila. If you want to say I like them, then you say ganahan ko nila. Okay?
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Come on, it's your turn. Say it. Ganahan ko nila. That's great. Kier, Mitch, what's next?
Ganahan ko ni Kier og Mitch. Ganahan ko ni Kier og Mitch. Ganahan ko ni Kier og Mitch.
Thanks, Ia. This means I like Kier and Mitch. Now, if you noticed, we have here nilang, right? But Ia is saying ni. It's okay.
Ganahan ko ni Kier og Mitch. Ganahan ko ni Kier og Mitch.
So this is what Ia is saying. Actually, nilang is the correct grammar, but some people say it like it's, it's a language, it's a habit. Even in English language, some people have, some people are grammatically wrong, but because it's being said every day, so it's accepted. Ganahan ko nilang Kier og Mitch. So we're going to be correcting that, Ia, okay?
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Okay, so it's your turn. Give it a try. Come on, it's as easy as pie. That's great. So if you want to say like just one person you like, then you say Ganahan ko ni Mitch. You just change the name and you can, use it anytime.
Ganahan ko ni Mitch. Ganahan ko ni Mitch. Ganahan pud ko ni Kier. Ganahan pud ko ni Kier.
After ganahan, remember it means also or to. Ganahan pud ko ni Kier means I also like Kier.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Ganahan mo ni Kier og Mitch. Ganahan mo ni Kier og Mitch.
So this is a question. He is asking you guys if you like Kier and Mitch. Ganahan mo ni Kier og Mitch. So there's a question mark there, right? So ni or nilang. Remove the question mark, then it becomes a sentence, not a question. So ganahan mo ni Kier og Mitch. So you guys like Kier and Mitch. Right, Ia? We have to know if you like them. So if you want to make it singular, I'm just asking you, or you're asking one person, ganahan ka ni Kier og Mitch, it becomes ka. Remove the question mark, it becomes a sentence. Ganahan ka ni Kier og Mitch. Ganahan ta nilang Kier og Mitch. I think you guys can figure out what this means. Ta means us, we, inclusive, including you, we, all of us. We like Kier and Mitch. Ganahan mi nilang Kier og Mitch. This is exclusive. You're not included. Ganahan mi nilang Kier og Mitch. So take a look at this one. Just learn how to work around, play with this one, and practice this all the time, okay? It takes practice. So, ganahan minimo. Take a look at this one. Ganahan minimo. This means we like you. We like you. This is exclusive. Ganahan minimo. We like you. Ganahan mininyo. The next one. It means we like you guys. We like you guys. Next one. The next one is ganahan minila. Ganahan minila means we like them. This is exclusive, okay? You're not included. But if you want to say we like them, that you're included, inclusive, then we say ganahan tanila. But here it says ganahan minila. It only means us. You're not included. But I'm telling you that we like them. So if I want to tell you, if you want to say it to someone that you like them, then you say ganahan minila. Then we have the next one, ganahan minia. We like him or her. Niya is unisex. Okay, it's unisex. It can be him or her, he or she. So, but in this case, this is him and her. So when you say ganahan minia, this means we like him or we like her. Okay. Kuha ninyo? Dali ra kayo, no? Okay. Padayon ta. Ganahan siya niya. Many girls like this when they talk to each other. They're having girl talk. Ganahan siya niya means she likes him, or he likes him, or she likes her, he likes him. Because siya and niya are unisex. Siya is he and she. Niya is him and her. Okay, so ganahan siya niya. Ganahan siya niya. Other Visayan people say it ganahan siya niya, while others say it ganahan siya niya. Okay, kuha ninyo? So you can also say this one. Another expression is ganahan si Mitch niya. It means Mitch likes him or her. And then we have ganahan silang Mitch ug Kier niya. I think you can figure this out. What this means, it means Mitch and Kier like him or her. Ganahan silang Mitch ug Kier niya.
Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan mo na ako. Ganahan mo na ako. Ganahan mo na ako.
Oh, Iya is asking you guys if you like her. So if you want to ask someone or some people, but this one is mo, it means you guys. This means, do you like me? Nako means me. Okay, so if you want to ask someone, some people, ganahan mo nako, it means, do you guys like me? If you want to ask someone, do they like me? Then you change mo to sila, right? Ganahan sila nako. Or ganahan si Michelle nako. Ganahan si Mitch nako. You change it to a person's name. You add si. Ganahan si Trixie nako. Ganahan kanako. Do you like me? Ganahan kanako. So it's just like that, okay? You know, just keep practicing and you'll get used to it, and you know you'll be able to know how to work it around, okay?
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo, no?
Kamu na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Okay, so it's like this now. Ganahan ko, then fill in the blanks. Then you can use it anywhere, anytime. You're good to go. Ganahan ko, and then next one, or you can change the ko. Then it's good to go. Now, some people like asking this to another person, you know. Ganahan siya nako. Does he like me? Or does she like me? Ganahan siya nako. Ganahan siya nako. Don't forget that.
Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya. Ganahan ko niya.
Lingaw kayo sa?
Lingaw kayo, nakasabot man mo, no?
Basta practice lang jud mo. Ang importante ani kay magsige lang jud tag padayon og practice ug maminaw mo sa mga ubang tawo nga magstorya og binisaya.
Aron makuha ra sa iyong utok ang impormasyon ug maanad mo og paminaw sa mga tawo nga nagistorya og binisaya,
Magkita-kita ta balik ari lang sa V Avenue. Magbinisaya ta.
For more information, you may like us on Facebook. Just simply go to facebook.com/VisayonAvenue. Thank you so much for joining us today.